Today we're looking at the iZEEKER iD220 dual dashcam. This was very kindly sent out to me by iZEEKER. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither did they pay me for this review. If you want to pick this up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Also, let us know in the comment section below if you have used any products from this company. Basic packaging, some information here: motion detection, loop recording, wide dynamic range, G sensor protection. That basically means on impact it will lock the file. Nice packaging. Just get a quick start guide. Dual dashcam iD220. You could pause the video there, I'm just showing it because in case you have lost yours. That is the actual dashcam, nice and small that. This is the box with the accessories in. That's the rear camera. It's got some protective film on there, I'll take that off afterwards. It has 170-degree field of view, 720p. Little mounting bracket there. You can mount this on the back of your number plate or you can mount it inside on your windscreen. Nice length of cable. We have a little SIM ejector tool there. Some tape, 2 screws. This tool will help you install the cabling inside your car. USB-A to micro charge cable, that's to transfer footage over from the dashcam to your computer. That will go into the cigarette lighter part of your car. That's micro USB, decent size cable. That's the mounting bracket for the dashcam, the front one. Has some information: wide angle lens, 170-degree field of view as well. Super night vision. This is f1.8. Lower the f number, the better image quality you get, so this should be good in low light. The front camera is full HD 1080p. We have power on off, left right, pause button there. So this cable, micro USB, that will go the micro USB port. The suction cup, this would go in there like so. This end of the cable would go at the bottom of the camera. This is for the rear camera. We have reset there. It comes pre-installed with the 32 GB micro SD card. That's of course the port for the rear camera. Microphone, speaker. We have some power. So we need to set the date and time. April. So the power button is also your OK button in this case. The bottom we have the speaker there, date and time, micro SD card, 1080p. It's letting us know we are in wide dynamic range. At the top there, there's a little movie sign there, so it's letting us know that we are in recording mode. I push the middle button, we go to menus. So we've got resolution, 1080 or 720, leaving it in 1080. Loop recording. So you've got from 1, 3 and 5 minutes. By default it is on 3 minutes, leave it on 3 minutes. Display mode. So when you connect the rear camera, how do you want to see the footage in this little screen? Picture in picture, split screen, front camera or rear camera. WDR, exposure, motion detection, audio, timestamp, gravity sensor, that's basically G sensor. As mentioned before, if you get involved in an accident, it will lock the file, so your file can't get overwritten. Good feature that. Parking guard. So for this you will need to get an hardwire cable. Headlight warning. Push the middle button again. Gone into settings, date and time, auto power off, beep sound, you could turn that off, language, frequency, screensaver, license plate, format. I've already formatted the SD card. It's very important to do that. Default settings. So if you make a mistake by changing settings around, you could just come in here and go to default settings. Version. Start up sound, you could turn that off as well. That's it. Push the middle button again, back at the start. Normally what would happen is when you put the cigarette lighter into the thing, the camera would start automatically as soon as you start your car. Okay, let's have a look at some footage. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. One quick thing to mention, the image quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing because YouTube compressed the file. There's nothing I could do about that. Apologies for my voice. I've been really sick. I recorded this before I got ill. I don't know if you can notice around the edges at the bottom, there's some vignetting going on. That has nothing to do with the dash cam. That's my fault. It's the way I mounted it. You could see this dash cam for the price it has. Good image quality in my opinion. You could see the number plates. You could see everything around. For the price, I could recommend this dash cam, whether you just want to use the front one or if you want to use both. I'll link it in the description box below if you're interested. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.